Assalamualaikum. Welcome to 6th class social. I am your social teacher from United Public School, Tandur. So, my dear students, in our today's class, I am going to give you revision. This revision is for test for 20 marks, okay? And after this, I will conduct a test for you, okay? Let us discuss about this revision paper, okay? So, 4 bits are here. Let's see our first bit, okay? Choose the correct answer and write the letter in the bracket. So what we have to do? Yes, here you can see we have to choose the correct answer. For one statement is given and 3 options are here. We have to read the sentence carefully and then we have to choose a correct word which are correct for this statement. So we have to write this letter in the brackets, okay? So let us see first one. We have dash ocean on the south of India. So we have which ocean on the south of India? Yes, we have, here you can see options are here: Atlantic, Pacific, Indian. So we have Indian Ocean on the south of India. So we have to write C in the bracket, okay? And each correct answer is carry 1 mark, okay? So this bit is carry 5 marks, okay ma'am? Next, common symbols are also called dash symbols. Yes, conventional, globe, map. Yes, common symbols are called also symbols, conventional symbols. So we have to write A in the bracket, okay? Next, number of continents. How many continents are there? Yes, 5, 6 or 7. Yes, there are 7 continents. So we have to write C in the bracket, okay? Next, 2 halves of the earth are called full sphere, hemisphere, cubits. Yes, is called hemisphere. 2 halves of the earth are called hemisphere. So we have to write B in the bracket, okay? And next, 5th one, rivers like Godavari and Krishna flow through which plateau? Yes, Godavari and Krishna flow which plateau? So here you can see 3 options are given: Deccan, Tibetan, Vallum. So what is the correct answer? Yes, Deccan. So we have to write A letter in the bracket, okay? So this is our first bit. Our first bit is carry 5 marks, okay? And next, let us discuss about our second bit. Second bit is fill in the blanks. What we have to do? Yes, we have to read the sentence carefully and then we have to write the correct or suitable word in the blank, okay? So let's see first one. Types of soil in Penamakuru are, yes, which type of soil is present in Penamakuru? Yes, black and sandy. So we have to write black and sandy, okay? So this bit is carry 5 marks. Each correct answer, correct blank is carry 1 mark, okay? Next, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is in between Nalgonda and dash district. So Nagarjuna Sagar Dam is between Nalgonda and which district? Yes, in Guntur district. So we have to write Guntur in the blank. And next, third one, earth is dash in shape. Yes, what is the shape of the earth? Yes, earth is like a sphere. Yes, so we have to write spherical. Next, map makers prepare dash appropriate to their needs. Yes, what they prepare? Yes, they prepare symbols. So we have to write symbols in the blank. Next, dash is the model of the earth. Who is the model of the earth? Yes, globe is the model of the earth. So we have to write globe in the blank, okay? So this is our second bit. Next, our third bit is answer this question. So this third bit is carry 4 mark, okay? So what we have to do? Yes, draw latitudes and longitudes. What we have to do? Yes, we have to draw latitudes on the globe and longitudes on the globe, okay? So we have to draw these 2 in this bit, okay? And this bit is carry 4 mark, okay na? Next, fourth bit, answer the following question. So what we have to do? Yes, here you can see 2 question and answers are here. Okay, so we have to write 2 answers. Okay, each answer is carry 3 marks. Okay, so this bit is carry 6 marks. Okay now, so first one question is, why don't we fall even though the earth is rotating? So we have to write the answer of this question. And how are the people of handicrafts helped by the government? Okay, and next we have to write the answer of this question. Okay, so 2 questions are here, we have to write the answer of question. Okay, so my dear students, hope you will understand. This is our revision for our test. Okay, and today's your homework is you have to write first bit and second bit in your notes. Okay, write neatly and submit in the group. Hope you will understand. Thank you.